My name is Yamalia. My student number is 35. In this video, I will present a journal research to complete the academic speaking mid-test. The title is The Readiness of English Communication Skill of Mataram Tourism Vocational College Student for Asian Economic Community. The creator is Ida Nyoman Tridharma Putra. The Asian Economic Community, or AEC, or we know as MEA, Masyarakat Ekonomi Asia, it was started in 2015 under the auspices of the Asian Community. MEA is an economic globalization, and this requires an increase in a strong competitiveness and in technology, management, human resources, and ongoing effort to encourage innovation and create cost efficiency. Thus, it is to compete in the preparation of the borderless or unlimited world is to communicate with both written and oral English that can be used in economic, social, cultural, educational, and political sectors. And Indonesia, as the participant, need to prepare to be ready in a free market of ASEAN community. And one of the most important that necessary need to prepare is foreign language skill, English, and the quality of human sources. It is tourism from higher educational. Why? Because the readiness of a quality of human resources is the key to success in facing the free market in the MEA era. And once again, the most important and necessary, it is the foreign language skill. It is English, because English is a lingua franca in ASEAN, and in MEA it will be the dominant communication to win the global competition in the future. And why tourists from higher education? The tourists from higher education, it is an important sector in MEA that has significant role in English language education. The communities are expected to be able to communicate actively with English, both written and oral, in official communication, and communicate with the other regionally or internationally. And this research is important to considering the readiness of tourist students in NTB for face the rapid development of tourism. And this study, the result can be used as the basic for development and planning to what extent and readiness of tourism students, and to use English as the communication tool. Okay, for the next is research methodology. There is a purpose and the data collection. So this study aims to determine the level of readiness of English communication skill of 100 tourism student respondent at the Mataram Tourism College. And because of the sample is limited, so random sampling is used. And for the data collection, this study was conducted through a questionnaire method to obtain the opinion and the opinion of the respondents. And this questionnaire was used to collect data on the student responses regarding the readiness of STP Mataram students in facing MEA. And the questionnaire was consists of 4 aspects. There is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And for the 10 respondents was selected as a pilot studies to obtain the Kernbet alpha to coefficient which can be received more than or equal to 0.75. For the next is result and discussion. The result can be seen from the table besides me, and from the 4th of language skill. STP Mataram students are not capable or ready in the communication skill using English. Above the 30% of the respondents answered that they have not been able or disagree. Based on the result, it was found that from the listening skill, students of Mataram STP were not ready to understand the long sentence, and its utterance of 53.7. And in speaking skill, there are 43.6 have not been able to pronounce English sentence properly and correctly. And in reading ability, the students cannot understanding a long article in English. There are 52%. While in writing skill, the students have not been able to formally write a sentence in English and incorrectly. There is 41.8. And from this research, the students at the STP Mataram need to develop and improve their skill in English communication, especially in the listening and the speaking, it is a skill that needed to communicate with the foreign people. And the reason why they are lacking in this skill is because they are vocational students who focus more on the ability of tourism practice and have not focused on the foreign language skill. So English language skill should be provided in institute or take a course in the language center to improve their ability to use English. And the last is conclusion. The first one is the mastery of English is one of the basic capital to be able to compete in the face of the globalization era, especially in the Asian community. And in generally, from this research, from the 4 skill of language, the STP students are not ready in using English as means of communication. And this finding is relevant that tourism students at the STP Mataram need to develop and improve their skill in English communication, especially in listening and speaking. And the next is English language training should be provided in institution or take a course in the language center to improve their competency to use English for the communication. That's all that I can present for you. I'm sorry for the mistakeness and for the unclear in explanation. I hope you understood it, and thank you for watching. See you!